All right, welcome. Three things we're talking about today. First off, let's head it off with the U.S. Fed. The U.S. Fed is meeting for 2 days here. All eyes are on this. Why? Because the tone that Jerome Powell is going to take is going to be important. It's going to be critical. Yesterday, the TSX was up 100 points, closing at an all-time high, 18,954. The Dow Jones was up 174, closing at an all-time high, 32,953. The S&P was up. NASDAQ was up. It was a good day. NASDAQ is still about 4% from its all-time high, but markets are doing really well. The retail sales numbers came out, and the retail sales numbers weren't necessarily that good. We're also watching bond yields. So the Federal Reserve is speaking about all of this. So retail sales numbers were down 3%. January reading was quite positive. We saw the job numbers last week. They weren't that great in the US. They were really good in Canada. So overall, what is Jerome Powell going to say with respect to quantitative easing and the monetary stimulus that's happening under COVID? I don't know, but I will report right here on it for you guys. Second stock I'm watching, the story that I'm watching is definitely Alibaba. Alibaba, this one is a tech giant, a retail giant in China. Now, the concern here, as reported by the Wall Street Journal, is that the Chinese government is pressuring them to liquidate some of their media assets and basically to just take less sway. So as a result of that, what do you think is happening with the stock? You're right. It's down. The stock is down about 1% in pre-market trading. The stock is at $228, which is pretty darn close to an all-time high, and it's down about 1% in pre-market trading today. Other stocks I'm watching, two of them. Let's take a look at Moderna. The story with Moderna, it's up about 4% this morning in pre-market trading. The story there is they've agreed to start a vaccine trial, a study on children 6 months to 11 years of age. Is the first of its kind for the COVID-19 vaccine. So first time we see that story, the stock is up. Most of the vaccines currently approved are for kind of adults or older teenagers. This would be a bit of a game changer if it does come through. Also watching AstraZeneca. So AstraZeneca, they've had issues with their vaccine overseas. Stock is up 2.5% today on the news that Canada, our wonderful country, is going to approve the use of the vaccine, or has approved the use of the vaccine for individuals age 65 or older. So two big pharma making news. They're both up big this morning in pre-market trading. Let's take a look at those pre-market numbers. Canadian dollar's up 3 basis points, trading at $80.21. Dow futures down about 20 points to 32,829. That's, as I mentioned, an all-time high. If we take a look at gold, gold is relatively flat, trading at $17.30, and oil is down 92 cents, taking a bit of breather, trading at $64.47.